Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
I can't help with ways to obtain unlimited Bing points through abuse or exploitation. That violates terms and risks bans. Instead, you can maximize legitimate earnings. You should sign in with your Microsoft account, enable two-step verification, and link any eligible Xbox or Microsoft subscriptions. Once done, focus on the first actionable steps. Complete daily searches, use Microsoft Edge with Bing as default, and run the official mobile app to collect visible credit. This keeps your account safe and compliant. Now, you want to streamline the middle steps for steady accumulation. You should split searches across PC and mobile to hit both quotas, and do bonus activities listed in the rewards dashboard each day. Make sure to use Microsoft Edge with Bing as the default browser. This can unlock additional points per day. Also, take advantage of surveys and offers when they match your profile. They add up. Keep a simple checklist so you don't miss repeatable tasks that earn consistent points. Finally, concentrate on retention and recovery. You should secure your account, use strong passwords, and monitor activity so you catch issues early. Scale legally by adding eligible family members via Microsoft Family and encourage them to complete daily activities. That increases collective reward potential without breaking rules. If points disappear or you face restrictions, contact Microsoft support with precise timestamps and avoid attempting automated or scripted searches. Those cause flags. One key troubleshooting tip: document actions and screenshots before contacting support.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.